Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we're going to learn how to make basic tags in HTML. So before you start this video, make sure you have watched my introduction to HTML video. So first we're going to open our VS Code. So then after VS Code is opened, we will click on File and click on Open Folder. Then we will create a new folder. If you want to create a new folder on Linux, we'll just click on this button at the edge. But if you are using Windows, then you would right click and click on New and then click on Folder. So now I'm going to name the folder Tags in HTML and I'll save it in Documents. So now we'll go back to Documents and click on our tags in HTML, which is here, and then we'll click on Open. So now we will click on New File, and then we will write index.html, but you can name the HTML file anything you want. So now I'll teach you the basic tags in HTML. The first tag is HTML, and you can click on this HTML5, so it will write everything. So I'll tell you that this one is HTML, which represents the root of the HTML document. Second one is the head. Well, the head represents a collection of media data for our product. So the body is where we put all of the information of the project. So we don't need to add all of these. So now we'll put the title, which will be Tags in HTML. So first I'll teach you the H1 to H6. So we're going to write H1, which means heading. Heading is the thing that you write in the beginning of a website or at the beginning of some kind of part of the website. So now we're going to write tags in HTML, and for the second one, which is H2, we will write welcome to ObaTheCoder. So now we can just copy this and then we'll paste it by pressing Ctrl V. We're going to paste it 4 times. So now we're going to write H3, H4, H5, H at H6, and we're going to do the same thing for the other side. So now we will press Ctrl S to save it, and we will right click and click copy path, which is here, and then we'll go to our web browser and we will press Ctrl V, or we'll right click and press paste and go. Wait, no, we'll press paste, whatever. So now we're going to press enter, and now we'll see this tags in HTML heading, and we'll see this welcome to ObaTheCoder thing, and it will be getting smaller and smaller until the H6. So now we're going to go to our index in .html. So now we're going to write a H3 or H, anything you want. We can do H1 to H6. So we're going to write a bold. Oh no, wait, B, whatever. We'll write B, and then we're going to write this is a bold H3. So now we're going to write H7. Wait, no, H4. So now we're going to write, so before this we can write BR, which will make some space, and we'll write I here, and then we're going to write this is italic. So now if we save it, then we will reload this, we'll see that there is some space in between them. This is because we added the BR in between them, so we see the space. So now we're going to go back to our HTML file, and then we're going to make a paragraph, which is P. So we're going to write this is my description, because normally people use paragraphs for descriptions. So now we're going to write a H2. We're going to say U, which means underline, and then we're going to write this is underlined. So now when we save it by pressing Ctrl S and we reload it, we'll see a text that says this is underlined, that has a little underline under it. So now let us go back to our HTML, and then we will add styling to the beginning, which is our body. So now we're going to write style, and then we're going to write background color, which means the color of our background. Like if we make the color to be brown, it will become brown. Yay! So now we're going to write a color like chocolate. So now when we reload it, we see that our background color changes. Yay! So now that is the end of our video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to see more things like this. So bye!